Did you know that a good wet-dry vacuum can save you hours of cleanup time and frustration? Many homeowners overlook this crucial tool, often settling for subpar vacuums that just can't handle tough messes. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 wet-dry vacuums available in 2026, comparing their features, strengths, and even a few drawbacks. Stay tuned to find out why our #1 pick stands out as the ultimate solution for your cleaning needs. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links in the description for current prices. Vacmaster Professional Beast Series VFB 511 H02015 GAL 5.5. The Vacmaster Professional Beast Series VFB 511H is a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. With a robust 5.5 peak horsepower motor, this 5-gallon wet-dry vacuum is perfect for tackling everything from sawdust in the workshop to spilled liquids in the garage. It features a durable construction that ensures longevity, making it ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. One of its standout features is its large capacity, allowing you to clean without frequent emptying. However, its bulkier design might be a slight drawback for those seeking a more compact option. Fein Turbo iWet Dry Dust Extractor. The Fein Turbo iWet Dry Dust Extractor combines exceptional suction power with efficient filtration, making it a top choice for both contractors and home users. This compact vacuum is equipped with a powerful motor that ensures it can handle fine dust and liquid spills with ease. Its innovative design includes a semi-automatic filter cleaning system, which keeps the filter clean and maintains optimal performance during use. Ideal for woodworking or construction sites, the Turbo I's portability is a significant advantage. However, some users may find that its smaller tank size requires more frequent emptying during larger projects. DREAME Aero Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The DREAME Aero Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner is an innovative solution for anyone seeking a versatile cleaning tool. This model offers a unique combination of wet and dry vacuuming capabilities, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks, from carpets to hard floors. It is lightweight and cord-free, allowing for easy maneuverability around your home. The powerful suction ensures that even the most stubborn dirt and spills are handled efficiently. While its battery life is impressive, extended cleaning sessions may require a recharge, which could be a minor inconvenience for larger homes. Bissell Crosswave Turbo Vacuum Mop All-in-One Wet and Dry. The Bissell Crosswave Turbo Vacuum Mop is designed for those who want to simplify their cleaning routine. This all-in-one device allows you to vacuum and mop simultaneously, making it perfect for busy households. Its smart cleaning technology automatically mixes the right amount of solution with water, ensuring optimal cleaning results on both hard floors and area rugs. Users appreciate its ease of use and effective dirt removal, but some may find the need for regular maintenance and cleaning of the brush roll a bit tedious. Regardless, it remains a favorite for multi-surface cleaning. DEWALT Shop Vacuum 6-Gal 4 horsepower poly-wet/dry vacuum. The DEWALT Shop Vacuum is a top contender for anyone needing a reliable and powerful wet-dry vacuum. With a capacity of 6 gallons and a robust 4 horsepower motor, it's engineered for tough cleaning tasks ranging from construction debris to water spills. Its large on-off switch is designed for easy access, even with gloves on, enhancing usability on job sites. The durable poly tank resists dents and rust, ensuring this vacuum can withstand rigorous use. While slightly heavier than some alternatives, its performance and capacity make it worth the trade-off for serious cleaners. No matter your cleaning needs, there's a wet-dry vacuum on this list that can make your life easier. From powerful motors to innovative features, each of these machines has its unique strengths. Be sure to check the links in the description for the best prices on these top picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful.